Yes, the little girl's looking at the window crying.
Neighbors called 911 after hearing screaming from inside a Phoenix residence.
I can't kick that in. That's...
What responding officers found was a woman and young child locked behind a gate with no way out.
Don't come back in. Come out of the house. Come out of the house.
And an armed man inside. This footage can be difficult to watch. Viewer discretion is advised.
Phoenix 911, where is your emergency?
A dispute going on at this townhome right now.
Okay, does it sound physical or just verbal?
It may be both, I'm not sure. They're locked inside the house.
What are you hearing?
I want my mom and this guy's yelling at the top of his lungs. I think there's some girl in the house. You guys need to come now, like it's getting bad.
Yeah, I'm getting officer started that way right now.
Yes, the little girl's looking at the window crying.
Hi, I just wanted to get a wellness check on my neighbor. The guy is like yelling at the top of his lungs, and the girl's like crying, and I keep hearing things get tossed around.
Okay, so does it sound like it's a physical or?
It could be. I can't really confirm for certain.
Okay, but you said you hear things being thrown around?
Yeah.
Weapons or anything like that?
No, I don't know.
Okay, what is she saying now?
I'll stop.
Okay. Have you heard like a lot of fights often or?
I have heard them fight before, yeah. Just not like this.
The first arriving officer spots a young child crying from a second-story window, then makes contact with a distraught woman behind a locked gate and begins assessing how to get them to safety.
Phoenix PD! Come on out with your hands up and empty!
There's a male upstairs.
Male upstairs, we got a kid. I did see a male come out of there, but I think that's a neighbor that called. Hello, miss.
Yeah.
You okay?
No.
No, you don't look okay.
No.
That's locked.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hurt? Is he inside?
Yeah.
He's inside. Okay.
Yeah.
What are we doing right now?
He just like tried to check me out.
Okay. Where is he in the house?
Upstairs.
Can that girlie come down or no?
What?
Your little girl upstairs. Can she come down? She doesn't look like she can come down. Do we have a key for this?
He has it.
He has it.
Yeah.
Shit. I don't want you going back in there because I don't know what's going to happen next. There's no other way out besides this right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's...
How do you guys...
How do we guys what?
How do you guys...
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm going to jump over that gate. You cover me and I can't kick that in. That's... Can you unlock the handle? Well, I'm going to go over. Hold. You don't get the hand. You got the Halligan.
Here, just put it over the radio.
Don't come back in. Come out of the house. Come out of the house. Don't go in there. I don't want you in there.
Someone got a blanket or some shit for it? Yeah. Hey, put it over the radio. The kids are distressed.
There's somebody... You just cocked a gun.
You just cocked a gun. Get that though.
Officers report hearing the sound of a gun being racked.
Get out. Go. Get out.
They force the gate open and move the woman and child to safety.
Please, put the gun down.
Get out. Put the gun down now. Hey. Just commands.
Go cold.
Hey. Back up.
Drop the gun.
Verbal commands are issued to the male subject, who does not comply. They then disengage, reposition vehicles for cover.
Drop the gun, dude. Phoenix, please. Hey, someone start talking to the kids.
With the man still inside the residence and armed, a drone is deployed to monitor the apartment door and windows. The man responds by pointing his weapon directly at it and fires, damaging the drone. The man remains non-compliant and continues to escalate. A third 911 call received during the incident would reveal just how dire the situation had become.
But he told me goodbye, Mom. I'm going to die today.
I'm letting him know. He told you that?
Thank you. Yes, he did.
I'm so sorry he said that. What else did he say?
He said so many things that I can't even remember.
Recover, everybody.
An officer makes direct phone contact with the man inside in an attempt to negotiate. Moments later, gunshots are heard from within the apartment. This is when the officer-involved shooting occurred.
Shot out the window?
Shot out the window.
He's the Bravo. He's shooting out the window.
Get inside! Everybody inside!
Special assignments units breach a window and send in 2 drones. The operator locates the man upstairs, unresponsive, next to 2 long guns. As officers make entry and move up the stairwell, multiple handguns are visible on the ground, along with additional accessories. The scene reflects the volatile environment officers were navigating from the moment they arrived. Fire personnel responded and pronounced the man deceased at the scene. The woman and child were unharmed. No officers were injured.
You okay? No, you don't look okay.
For responding officers, every decision from that gate forward was made with limited information,
Back out.
an uncooperative subject, and an unknown number of weapons inside. The stairwell alone would confirm what they were dealing with. This channel makes no judgments. The footage presented is just a portion of what investigators are examining. If you found this informative, hit subscribe. We cover critical use of force cases to keep you informed on incidents occurring in neighborhoods across the country.